Hey guys, welcome to day 3 of decorating my classroom. I'm in my room. Today was convocation and now we can be in our classrooms for a little bit until we have to go to some meetings. So people keep walking in and out of the classroom. It's just everybody saying hi to everybody. It's just, I'm having so much fun. But let me show you what I got done so far. I still got some more stuff to do, but I have been doing some stuff in the room since I got in here. I have put up my have a great day bye right here, so it says have a great day and then bye down the side. I put that up. I put my gallery wall. I actually decided to put it here just so like when the students sit at the lab tables they can actually see it. I think it's more beneficial than like sticking it up there or sticking it on that wall, which we already put the bulletin boards there, but I love it here. And then I did the same thing on the other side. I had a rug that I was going to put down, but when I actually laid it out, I think it's kind of too much. I might end up changing my mind. I can't decide right now, so I just rolled it up and put it in the closet for now. So there's that. And then now I'm getting ready to get with the science bulletin board. I got some feedback about this word science. So these are elements from the periodic table spelling out science, but there was some confusion about the gray letters. So they count obviously for the C and the E, but not the U. And my brothers and my mom thought that could cause some confusion. So I actually redid it where I made the C and the E in black. So you know like you're counting it, and then the U you're not counting it. So I'm getting ready to swap those out and see if it looks better. Hey guys, so I honestly didn't get to film a lot of the process of me decorating my classroom today. I was just taking in the moment. People were coming in and out of my room and I was just socializing and I just really wanted to enjoy the moment. But let me show you what I got done on my day 3 of decorating. I got a lot done. So I finished up my science bulletin board. See, I switched out the SC and the CE, so these would be darker, and I think they'll understand it better. That was great feedback. I put up my lab rules here, just some lab rules, little plant. There's also a plant, hanging plant on my whiteboard from Primark. This was the major piece I said was going on my science bulletin board. I have not failed, just found 1,000 ways that won't work. Love this. Got it on Teachers Pay Teachers. Put that up, then put the rest of my science bulletin board up. I put up science practices right here, so you can see some science practices, things that scientists do. What else did I put up? I put a little plant up there today. I think I showed you guys this. I put my gallery wall in place. What else have I done? What else have I done? Oh, I put these skip count numbers up here. I made them myself so they go with my color scheme, but they are the multiples of each number up to 12. And so 1 through 12, and then each of them have their multiples, so like the multiples of 10 up until 12, and then 9, 8, 7, 6. So I put that up there. Again, my have a great day bye is up. Added a plant. I also started working on my desk area. I had some little mini cork boards, that bulletin boards here that I will probably put pictures on, things that mean something to me. My Hamilton, my shot was my hype song during my interview process. I kept saying, I'm not throwing away my shot. That was my hype song for this job. So I had to get a gold frame and put this here. I'll probably end up putting it right there because that is just the song that gets me going. All of this is just kind of here. I need, of course, to organize it. I'm gonna have some pictures of Doggy. I started organizing my drawer a little bit. Got some of my markers and highlighters and stuff ready to go. Everything is just a little rough right now. But yeah, so this is what's happening. We're diving into these boxes a little bit more. I'm getting ready to head home. Because my mom and Doggy want to go for ice cream. So we're going to do that. I'm going to call it a day for today, and I will dive back in tomorrow with more PD and more decorating. Hi, sunshines. Welcome to the final part of this series. I'm sure this won't be the last time you see my classroom, but it is basically done. It's like 6 o'clock at night right now. Tomorrow is day 1. We have special guests here. Look at it. Okay. LoriAnne is here. She came to come see the room.
Is anyone surprised? How could I, as a mother, not come here at the midnight hour? It's absolutely beautiful. Guys, when I pulled up in the parking lot, oh my God, I almost couldn't come into the school. I said to Tay, the emotions that bubbled up inside of me because this campus was where she went to school and where all my kids went to school. I haven't been over here in years because Adam was the last one and he was at another campus for high school. So I haven't been over here for years. And when I pulled up here, it brought back all the memories. It brought back all the back to school nights. It brought back the field trips when the buses were lined up. Oh my! I was so emotional when I pulled in.
I know you FaceTime me. You're like, Tay, I'm emotional.
It was too emotional, and I said to be here on a whole entire different purpose to see my daughter's classroom. She was a student here, and now she is a teacher. And I never ever in a million years,
girl, neither did I, girl,
would have thought this, and wouldn't have missed it for the world. Wouldn't have missed it for the world. It just meant so much to me. She did an outstanding job. She had such attention to detail. She left no stone unturned. This class is immaculate. Not only is the school immaculate, it is just top-notch everything. I mean, this is Fairfield County. I mean, this school is top-notch. And I think it's like we wanted you guys in the school because we couldn't afford private school. So we wanted a good public school. And they have ratings for school. And I believe this was like an A rating, which is a very good rating. So it was everything I remembered. Spotlessly clean walls. It looked like the school was just built. The way they keep this school up, impeccable. No funny smells. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful school. So I've always loved this school. Always loved this school. So here I am. And then I just walked around. It was like a museum.
Yeah. Do we give them the official tour?
Absolutely.
So starting with the outside of my door, here is some signs. And let me show you the other sign. So I have two entrances. Put this here. All right, let's go in. So the kids tomorrow will walk in and they'll see welcome to 6th grade. They won't see Doggy, but he's here. Here is the front desk. I put a chair here and a little pillow. I wanted something comfortable up here because it's like a second desk for me because my phone is up here. So some teachers kind of like have it on the wall or like a desk up here. So I swapped out the desk, the desk that I had here. Bought these off Facebook Marketplace. These are IKEA tables, put two together. And I have my phone, tissues, notepad, all my emergency numbers. And this is just my front desk. Here is my math bulletin board that is here, as well as have a great day bye when they leave the room. These are some bulletin boards that Josh put up. Kind of cover this important information, but some bulletin boards. And then I have my skip counting numbers going across here, and these show the multiples of each of these numbers up until 12. So just giving it a little math touch. Here is more. Oh, so my FYI, I'll put like little information like, oh, there's an assembly on Friday or like what. But these are also my incentive charts for each of my classes. They'll get a check on the chart as a class. It says, thank you for being a superstar student, and working together to reach a goal is fun. And the class can get a check when they do their best work, stay on task, participate, come to class prepared. They're kind, respectful to each other, helpful. They are safe in the lab, and they're just themselves. They're awesome selves. They can win a check, and once they get all the way to the star, they will get some sort of prize, either from the prize box or, stickers or a fun day, or just they'll get some sort of incentive here once they reach 10 days. Here is the other side of my whiteboard. Here is my schedule. This is my schedule for the first day, so that's why this is here. My math and science, this is where I will put like our coursework and objectives for the day, and there is the calendar. Up here are my lab rules and a little plant, and my science bulletin board. So I did these in the periodic table. I think I showed you guys, and I ended up switching out the SC and the CE after some feedback. Hey guys, coming to you from the first day of school. So I didn't get to finish my room tour yesterday because Doggy was acting up and it was late, but let me see what else I can kind of show you. I'm trying to remember what I showed you already, but let me just keep showing you the room. So I believe I showed you guys my bulletin board, my turn-in bins. Here's my finished bulletin board, my lab rules up here. And then here I put posters up with some card stock. Love these so much. These are here. I put my science practices up there. Just kind of practices that scientists do. You guys have seen my gallery wall that's here. I got to put that back. That was from today, an activity. But my gallery wall of scientists and STEM people. Really, there's math people in there. My sink area, I added 3 mirrors here. And I put some plants here by the sink. There is also a skeleton here that has a mask on him. We gotta remember to mask up. And here is my shrine of Doggy. The kids love this. So this is over by my sink, Doggy. And here's just a plant I have. Now we are getting over to by my desk area. So I have some plants. My desk is a little rough because it's the first day, and yeah, it's kind of an explosion, but a 7th grade teacher brought this into me this morning, a plant, super nice, just to welcome me and wish me a good first day. And then a student I had last year found me today, and she gave me that. She painted that over the weeks. I saw her last week. She's like, I'm gonna paint you something, you know, for your classrooms. Well, isn't that awesome? So I put that there. And here is just some of my desk area. I have my calyx storage right here with my bins. All my bins here, little candy jar. Miss Wesley, here is my some bookshelves that are going to keep some of my curriculum and just some books, and my binders for my classes, keep my lesson plans and just stuff for filing. This area is a little rough. This was from an activity today. I need to put that back too. Here is my wall by my desk. Is all the people that are important to me. Is Josh, Doggy, my brothers, and my mom. And then of course coffee is important to me. Love coffee. This was a sign that was lit up this morning when they came in. Welcome to 6th grade. Here is my desk. So again, a little rough. I'm getting stuff prepared for tomorrow. But here is my desk area. Check out all my pens. Love pens. Love supplies. Love options. Just some stuff in my desk. Organization stuff. Shout out to anybody that bought from my Amazon store, because a lot of supplies were brought. You might see it as we go through. So shout out to everybody that did that. Shout out to anybody that bought anything for my room, sent money, bought from my Amazon store. You all are amazing. You made all of this possible. Just some more stuff down here, storage. My chair is from Walmart. This pillow's from Target. This is my teacher chair. And of course, my affirmation station is here. I have a mirror, and then I just have affirmations going around my mirror. That is here. What else? Again, these are lab tables. Did I show you guys the front table? I don't know. Here are some bulletin boards. Oops, hold on. My bulletin boards have like important information. Not sure if I showed you guys this, but my bulletin boards are here. Actually, a student today for my study hall, I needed to find something for them to do. I put supercalifragilisticexpialidocious on the board, and in teams I said, okay, you and your team have to come up with words from this word. How many words in the team who comes up with the most words gets Jolly Rancher. And this group of kids spelled 79 words. And so this is where like some awesome student work is going to go. So this is the first thing. I thought that was really awesome. Here is my math bulletin board in front of the classroom, and then my classroom incentive charts. They were really excited about this, where as a class, if they do these things, they do their best work, they're kind to each other, they participate, come to class prepared, they're safe, and they are just their awesome selves, they can win a check on their incentive chart. And then once the class reaches the star, they get some type of treat, whether that be candy, picked from the prize box, the sticker book that I have that they're excited about. They love the incentive chart. We have a clock on the wall over here, but I also wanted just a digital one right here, because you know when kids have to use the restroom, they have to have a bathroom sign out over here. They have to sign out when they're leaving the room, and they're always like, what time is it? So put a clock right here so they can see the time. This is also kind of like another little desk area because my phone is up here. It's like string that's hooked up here. So I have this table here and a chair. It's kind of like a second desk. I find myself sitting here often just to take phone calls and write some notes. And so I have all my stuff up here from when I need to use this area up here. Let's see, anything else? I hope I didn't miss anything. I'm not sure, but yeah, this is my room. I am super excited about it, and if you guys have any questions about anything, I'll try to answer, but I'm sure I'll be showing you the room over the year and if I make any changes or anything, but I'm super excited. This is it. Let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in our next video. Bye.